So welcome back to another TwoSpanners tutorial. Today we're doing a Ford Ranger. I'm going to show you how to remove the door handle. Tools you're going to be needing are either a small flat bladed screwdriver, Torx 20, or a trim tool just so you can get the little cap off. So first off, obviously you want to open the door up. You want to come around to the side here, and there's like a little plastic clip just here. 1 second, let me just get the GoPro steady. So you just want to remove that. I don't think you're going to be able to see inside, but just inside is a Torx 20, so you want to put that inside. Next, you want to hold the handle out and just turn. They're quite long, and then just keep shaking this lock barrel cover. There we go, that's the lock barrel out, and you just slide the door handle towards the back of the door, pull out and twist. That's how you remove your Ford Ranger door handle. I hope this helps. If this was very helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.